Hello guys, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to use an object sensor to edit the object itself. So if you've got like 3 objects connected to one Python controller, you can access an object just by using its sensor. Alright, I'm just going to get started. So to start off, let's do spacebar and then add a cube like this, and let's drag this cube just above our other cube like this. Now what we're going to do is go from defaults to game logic, and go from Blender render to Blender game. On this bottom cube, let's add a keyboard sensor. Let's put tap, spacebar, add a property actuator, change it to toggle, add a Boolean operator property over here, and I'll name this as toggle prop like that, and let's put that inside that property box. Connect it like this, and what we should see is if I hit this I and then do game and then show debug properties, is if I hit P, we can toggle that property like this, and it's shown in the top left corner. Okay, now that we have that, what we're going to do is add an always sensor in our bottom cube, and add a Python controller, and connect it like this. Then, what we're going to do is shift and right click on this top cube, add an always sensor, and connect it to our Python controller. Alright, what I'm now going to do is rename this to always one like this, always one like that, and we're going to leave that untoggled, so leave this one as no 3 dots and this one with the 3 dots. Okay, next what we're going to do is do templates, Python, and then game logic simple. Delete the portion that I've highlighted. I'm going to add the script right here. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is get this always one sensor inside of our script. So always one is going to equal controller.sensors always one like this. And what we're going to have is if our toggle prop is equal to false or true, if on toggle prop is equal to true, we're going to have always one dot owner dot sets visible one like this, and have an else statement always one dot owner dot sets visible is equal to 0. So essentially what this is saying is that if this Boolean operator is true or false, it's going to access the owner of the always one sensor, so in this case cube 1, and determine whether or not it is visible like this. Okay, so that is how to access information or to edit an object using the sensor itself. I hope you guys found this useful.